Dear students, see the next question from 11th standard NCRT Motion in a Plane chapter. See that NCRT exercise question number 4.1. I read the question now. Actually the question is state for the following physical quantities if it is scalar or a vector. Some quantities given: volume, mass, speed, acceleration, density, number of moles, velocity, angular frequency, displacement and angular velocity. So totally here 10 physical quantities given. In these physical quantities we want to find what are the quantities scalar and what are the quantities are vector. So let's we write. If you observe here, the first part I write only the scalar. Okay, so from that physical quantities I selected only the scalars here and then vectors are here. So see the first one is a volume. So volume, you know that 2 millimeter cube, 2 cubic centimeter. So like that 1 liter, 2 liter. So like that it is a volume is a scales based. So it is a scalar quantity, not a directional based. Like that the next one, the mass. Mass, you know, 50 gram, 500 gram, 1 kilo. So like that it is also scale based, you know. So mass also scalar quantity. And then speed. For example, the vehicle traveling or vehicle moving 50 km per hour, 2 meter per second. So something we can say, we can mention only the magnitude without direction. So the speed is scalar quantity. Like that the density, you know, the density of water 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Then the density of iron 7800 nearly equal to 7500 kilogram per meter cube. So like that. Then the next one, the number of moles. It is a quantity based, so it is also scalar quantity. And then the velocity. So here that angle, the velocity is a vector quantity. And then next one, that is the angular frequency. Angular frequency, generally, you know, the frequency means number of vibration per second. Okay, so here that angular frequency, so it is we can mention by using that letter, you know, that is omega. So if you focus this unit also, actually it is a per second only, so it is not directly based. So angular frequency also one of the scalar quantity. So here if you observe that volume, mass, speed, density, number of moles and then angular frequency. So from this data these 6 are scalar quantities. And then remaining 4, see that acceleration, you know that acceleration due to gravity, for example, okay, it is towards the gravity, towards the earth. So we can mention the direction. Okay, like that the velocity. So velocity, you know, there is a displacement divided by time. So the velocity, the vehicle moving the velocity of 50 km per hour due to north direction, south direction, something. So we can mention the magnitude as well as direction too. And the next one, the displacement. So the displacement, you know very well, we discussed many discussing part in that motion in a straight line. So the displacement is a vector quantity. And then next one like that, that is angular velocity. So that angular velocity, normal velocity, you know, that is a meter per second. Okay, that angular velocity, you know, that is also per second. So that relation we are going to study in future, v is equal to r omega, like that. So here what is that? Acceleration, velocity, displacement, and then angular velocity. So these four is based on, it's related with, it is a vector quantity. Okay, thank you.